all, I got to conclude with a little joke that struck my head a little while ago. Sometimes I get these little inspiration. You know, when we talk about money flowing, there was this guy, rich guy, married this pretty girl. Well, of course, money brings beauty. So when they got married, 3 days after the marriage, she put his head on her lap and she was massaging his head. Oh boy, well, I don't know if it's because of the money he has, he got that massager. Massage, and she's boasting to him, I don't care, there's nobody in the world who can give you a massage like that. You can have the biggest headache, I don't care what headache you have, you cannot get a massage like this. The husband turned around and said, sweetheart, I never had a headache before marriage. It's after I married you, I got this big headache. So all her hopes went down. But these things could happen sometimes. Be careful, be grateful. He probably was not grateful to her, and she probably was not grateful.